So we've had this Ninja personal blender for a while now. It's great for making a smoothie of like a single serving rather than a huge thing in a huge blender. Really simple to use too. You're going to fill this container up with whatever fruit you want, some liquid, screw on this top, which also has the blades on it, turn it upside down and stick it on there. So I'm going to make a small fruit smoothie with frozen strawberries and show you how it works. So that just made about 8 ounces of strawberry smoothie. It's blended really well, tastes really good, and super easy to use, so I recommend it. If you'd like to purchase it, there's a link in the description. We get a small commission and it would really help us out. Hey, my name's Chris, and with my wife Abby's help, we're on a quest to review literally everything.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense.